What's going on? How you doing? Back again, another video, Raw ETV. In this video, we're going to be talking about investing in real estate and why you should invest in real estate, especially in the times we in now. So if you're new to my channel, we talk about real estate, how to make money, how to grow on YouTube. So if you're interested in that topic, please consider liking this video, subscribing, and staying tuned to my next videos. So basically, real estate is something that I've been investing in. This is it's a new thing to me, but it's something that I always wanted to do. It's something that I had planned, like that was my final plan. You know what I'm saying? I'm now in my 30s, so I wanted to get to this level in my 20s. You know what I'm saying? So we all know real estate is like a big game, and it's really like it's a time consuming thing. We're playing the long game, the long term game and stuff like that. So you can't really buy a lot of stuff with real estate because it's so expensive, right? You know what I'm saying? So just in general, like average houses like could be to $200,000 to $300,000. You know what I mean? That's a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So that takes really a lot of time. You know what I mean? But in these videos, I've been trying to show y'all that it's possible to start investing in real estate. And one thing that I started when I first invested in real estate was buying land. So with me and my story, I was looking for land and stuff like that. I was doing my research and stuff like that. So I knew I wanted to start with something because when I first got into real estate, like way back then when I was hearing about it, it was so expensive, and I was just like, man, I ain't gonna buy a house. It's too much money, right? So I pretty much stopped thinking about it. You know what I mean? I was like, man, I'm not even gonna think about it no more. But and then like the stuff that's been going on in the world today, like we got now, you got war in Ukraine and stuff like that. I used to watch a lot of prep videos, so a lot of the prepping channels. Shout out to the prepping channels, but just so much scarcity in this world. Plus, we're in like the 20th century. So, what's more important is real estate. That's the number one thing you want to have is securing property, securing where you stay at. So, a lot of things that you might call like investments are not really investments. Like buying a car is not an investment. That's really a liability because once you drive it out the lot, like it's like you're gonna be needing to put gas. You're gonna always have to fix it and stuff. It's never gonna bring you income. So I see a lot of people that get their tax money. It's tax season too, y'all. So but I see a lot of people get tax money and they get first thing they do is just buy a car. It's like, yeah, you need a car, but you can just get a regular car to get you to A to B. You don't have to buy a nice car. But a lot of people like to buy brand new cars and spend all that money to lease a car. They don't even own the car. They're just leasing the car, and then they're making payments to pay it off 2 or 3 years. You're already pushing yourself in the hole where you could be starting investing in real estate. So if you're a young person watching this, you know what I mean, it's even better because something you can learn something from this video, because a lot of stuff I wouldn't even know, I wasn't hip to until now. So I'm in my 30s. I still look young though, but you know what I mean. But a lot of stuff is important because we always like, even though I got like chains and stuff and everything and jewelry and stuff like that, I would say it's an investment for me because gold is, that's another topic, but gold is always going to hold value because it always goes up, right? So now if you guys want to hear videos about gold, I'll make some videos like that, but this is about real estate, y'all. But anyways, I was saying though, like for real though, like real estate is the best thing to invest in because if you want to start small, you can start off with purchasing land. You can buy a quarter or a half or an acre of land, and you probably you can grab that in certain areas cheap. You know what I'm saying? That's where I'm at. I'm in Ohio, so it's buying property is cheaper than somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? Depending on your location, and even if you're in another location, you can always still buy it somewhere else and send somebody else over there to do the paperwork. You ain't got to be there to actually do it. Like you can do it online now, so that's a good thing about it. So with me, that's why I started off. I was gonna invest in land and then build something like cabins and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Just a little something that, you know, I can Airbnb it out like that. So in the summertime, I'm gonna actually do some videos on my property, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, just walk through the process of what it was, and how it is and stuff like that, and how you can actually start a business, you know what I mean, in real estate, stuff like that. But another thing that is you can actually do in these times too is like buy something like a house, a cheap house, and fix them up. You know, you can really just go doing the groundwork yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get your hands dirty, go, you know, go put, you know, get you a fix up house, and then, you know what I'm saying, resell it. You can always do that. There's always flip ways of anything how you do. You can always figure it out like that. A lot of people, I see a lot of people when I watch the real estate videos, they do like you know, buying them and reflipping them and stuff like that. You can do that too, but that's more like if you want to get a loan and stuff like that. From what I use, I didn't use a loan. I just, you know, I saved the money up and I just put down and just bought it out, you know, cash out. That's just my method and stuff like that. Everybody got a different method, but the main thing I wanted to talk about is investing. So investments is very important, and especially in these times, you want to have something that's going to bring you passive income. So if you guys like this type of video, make sure you check out my other videos where I talk about investing in passive income and how to make money online, and plus how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, like this video, hit your boy with subscribe, and until then, I'm gonna catch you on my next one. Peace. Rolling TV.